Today we feature the sixth principle from Tony Robbins' Unshakeable. Following your instincts can lead to bad decisions, so stay disciplined and use a checklist. One of the reasons we need rules and principles to help guide our financial decisions is because of the way our brains are wired. The human brain hinders our ability to make rational investment decisions because we instinctively respond to losing money the same way we respond to life-threatening situations. The same way your ancient ancestors reacted to the sight of an approaching saber-toothed tiger is the same way your brain reacts to the stock market crashing and taking all of your money out of it. Both of these events are processed as being dangerous threats to your livelihood, and the natural response is to immediately withdraw and escape. When it comes to your finances, this is an unfortunate reaction, since often the best response to plummeting stock prices is to invest more. Remember, when prices are low, it's the perfect time to invest in an undervalued stock that is sure to rebound in no time at all. This is why rules and checklists come in so handy. Before you make a mistake by being reactionary, you should refer to a list of criteria and thus identify the most rational decision. It's sort of like flying a plane. During takeoffs, landings, emergencies, pilots have long and detailed checklists to go through before making an important decision. And this is precisely what any great investor will do. A good checklist is a way of protecting you from yourself. It turns your decision-making process into a strict and reliable discipline. Remember the esteemed Paul Tudor Jones and his 5-to-1 rule? He would never make an investment or trade without referring to his checklist, which includes questions such as, does the investment have a favourable risk-to-reward balance? And, can I expect this investment to have a 5-to-1 ratio return? Or only a 4-to-1 ratio? Okay, now that you know some of the basic questions to ask, and some of the basic potholes to look out for, it's time to stop procrastinating and start investing. So, this is the end of the podcast series for Tony Robbins Unshakeable. I hope you take this key message from Tony Robbins Unshakeable. Financial success and security are within your reach, no matter what job you have or how small your paycheck is. With the right knowledge and action plan in place, anyone can make good, lucrative investments, and with a little experience and smarts, you can prosper through even the most volatile and uncertain of times.